And so if you're called to make a difference, you're called to be a leader. Leaders are speakers. Speakers are leaders. Okay, so for those of you that aren't yet speaking yet, yes? This is a perfect place to start, okay? Because you want to be seen. You want to get out there. And in this noisy marketplace, this oversaturated marketplace, if you're like, what do you mean? Just scroll on Facebook for like 2 seconds and you'll see what I mean, right? It seems like there's advertisements and ads and webinars and opt-ins everywhere you look. Are you guys getting sick of this? I know we are. It's ridiculous, okay? So people are hungry for connection and authenticity now more than ever before. And when you combine that with the power of technology and combine that with YouTube and all these different platforms that we have at our disposal, the sky's the limit, guys. The sky is the limit, and speaking's not going anywhere.
That's right. So the world needs your expertise, and it needs it now. We're talking about leaving your heart print on the world. Marianne Williamson says that if you know how to touch a human heart, you know how to change the world. And that's what we're going to be exploring with you today, is because what I do know is because you have a beating heart, you have the ability to connect with other hearts. But what happens is we have our wounds and our disappointments, our angers, our frustrations that all get in the way. Oftentimes our family, our relationships aren't serving us to be our best. And so we have to find a way through the clutter of all that bullshit in order to find our true self and to speak from there. Okay? Because speaking is the fastest way to grow your business,
to make a bigger difference,
change the world.
And this is really all about igniting your voice, igniting the voice within, that voice of revolution. The voice, that small little voice that's telling you, this isn't okay. You turn on CNN for a second and you want to like throw up in your mouth. Okay, this is how we feel, all right? It's ridiculous. The stuff that's going on in the world, in our politics, everything, it's toxic, okay? So the world needs you to step into the voice of revolution.